Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you'll be using the SBA that I've prepared for schools. I'll be putting the link in the video description for those who may want to download it. So you can follow the link and then you download it. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's get started. So once you download the file and you open it, you have to do some setups. Now you realize that I have some sheets here at the down here. So these sheets that I have at the down here, you are going to make a setup in the database and then the subject sheet. Okay, for the entry sheet, that is where you'll be making the main entry. Now you can see that I have the respective subject at the down here. Now these places, that is when if you want to print out each of the subjects for reference sake. Now again, over here in each subject here, you are not going to type anything here. Everything here have been automated. So whatever you do at the entry sheet will automatically reflect at the respective sheet subject here. So first of all, what you have to do is to enter the names of pupils. Now it doesn't end only here. It continues. If you have about 50 students, you can enter all of them here. Once you enter all the pupils here, it will reflect on all other sheets that you've created. So you can see start from here. The names you type here will automatically appear on all other sheets and the entry sheets. So just type the full names here. So here you are going to type the names of the pupils here. Is that okay? So here, let's say we have Faith here, Faith A. We have Alan Z, and we also have SNA, and we also have Gifty, and we also have, let's say, Bright. Let's say we also have Philip, and we also have Millicent. Yeah. All right. So I'll be using these few names to do it. Okay. So once you've gotten your names of people typed here, you realize that when you come to your entry sheet, the names will automatically appear here to the end. When you come to the each subject sheet here, you see that the names will automatically appear here. So here you are not going to do anything here. Now that is just for the names of pupils. Now when you come to the subject, you enter the subject as well. So you can see I have some diagrams, some indications here. So where the arrow is pointing, that is where you're going to start your typing from. So replace the subject with the respective subject at your school level. So the order will follow how you enter it here. Okay. Now when you are done entering the subject here, you have to rename each of the sheets in the order of the names you have typed here. Here, which means here. So here you can see English here, mathematics, mathematics. That is the only thing that you are going to do. So if let's say you are using it for primary and you've come to rename here to, let's say, history. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth one, you've changed it to, let's say, history. Then you come here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is social. So you have to change it to what? History. Okay. That is just for those who will be using it for primary. Okay. Yeah. So once you are done entering all the subjects here, it will automatically reflect at the top here. You will not type it here. It will change here. When you come to the entry sheet as well, here will also be updated. Whatever you put there will also be updated from here down to all across all these places. Are you getting it? Now, let me use the first one to explain. Now you've seen that I have test 1, group work, test 2, project work, total 50% of the total exam score, 50% of the exam score, A and B position, and then remarks. Now this runs through for all other subjects. Okay, all right. So let's see, here is up to 60. Okay, I've made it up to 60. But in case you have a specific, let's say you are using 100, okay, then it means that the formula here has to change. Okay, the formula here has to change. And if you have any concern, I'll put my email as well over there so that you can reach out to me and I will assist you on how you be able to update it to suit your school or your preference. Yeah. Okay. So without wasting much time, let's try to see if we can make some inputs here. All right. So for test one, maybe out of 10, he had 9. Then group work out of 15, he had 14. Then test two, okay, 10. And then here 15. That is for faith. Now let's come to Alan. Alan had, let's say, 12 here, 12 here, 10 here, let's say 14 here, and then let's say 7 here. Then we have 4, 12, 10, and then let's say 11. So you can see that it's being updated. It's being calculated. All the calculations are being done. Now let's come to exam score. Exam score here at 69, 89, 67, and okay, I'll use this three. So you realize that for English language, this is the score that a person had. So here it has automatically been ranked as what? Very good. Here, excellent, good. Okay. Now let's check in case you are done and you want to print it out. You can print the respective subject. So you see when I did the entries, it has automatically appeared or reflected here. Okay. So here, if you want to print, just press Ctrl P, then you wait, then you see that it will appear here for you to print. Then you just issue your command and then you print. All right. So that is how it works through or across the subject. So this is for mathematics, that is for integrated science, that is for social, and all of that. So if these are not the subjects that you teach in your school, you can just update them to suit what you have. Now, when you come to the end, you are going to see the grand total. And it's this grand total that is going to tell the overall position of the student. So you can see here, Alan is the first because we've done only one subject. And then you can use this info to fill the report sheet. Now, because this is the version 2, okay, this is the version 2, so this place in the next version, you see where you have the report card embedded into it. So this part is just for the report card. That one, everything you are entering here, the report card is being prepared automatically. So all that you just do is just issue command and print, issue command and print for it, or select the particular student and print. So you watch out for that one, which is in the pipeline, and it will be ready very soon. So in case you have any question or you want to change something to suit you, as I said, I'll be putting my email address there. You can contact me and then I'll help you. This is free. I'll put a link in the video description so that you can download it and use it to make your work very easy. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, kindly like and then subscribe for more. Thank you very much.